So you have to put maybe a cup or 2 cups of oil. I have about a cup in here, maybe two, to cook our garlic with this. Okay, these are minced garlic. They are actually pre-preparing the condiment for the lobster that I'm going to scrub that we're going to be cooking. So we're going to brown this. Okay, I'm going to brown that. I have a lot of oil in there. Okay. So we're not going to brown it all together. We're just going to cook it so that it will brown when we also cook the lobster and the Dungeness crabs later on with it, okay? So we're going to follow it with slices of onions in here. We're going to fry it together with the garlic. Okay. Now there's a lot in here. So we're going to, when this is done, we're going to put this in a jar to get ready for our next cooking. Again, these are just condiments for the lobster that we're going to be cooking later on. Okay. So now we just added the onions and garlic here. We're frying it, and this is condiment that we're going to use to cook our lobster and Dungeness crab. And now I'm going to add chili peppers, hot chili peppers, and I'm not going to cut it up. So it's up to the people that's going to eat whether they want it spicy or not. But this is basically for decoration. Then we are ready to serve the Dungeness crab that we are preparing this for. Okay? So now that's the pepper. We're going to follow it with the green onions that I have ready for that also, which is here. Okay? So we're going to be cooking a lot of crabs and seafood. So we have to prepare a lot of this. Okay? So that's why I put a lot of oil, cooking oil earlier, because we're going to have prepared this ahead of time. Okay, we're going to be cooking up a storm with our seafood, lobster, summer lobster fest that we're going to do, and Dungeness crab with it. Okay, so there you have that. So we're just going to have that cooking together, and when we're going to let it cool down and just get it ready for the next cooking. But that's what that is. Okay, beautiful is that, huh? Gorgeous.